MURSEC ECO Multifrequency Wireless System, the permanent solution against rising damp. Many ground floors and basements in old buildings are damaged by dampness at the lower part of the wall. The plaster crumbles, the paint flakes off, and salt appears. People's health suffers, and the house loses value. Rising damp is caused by moisture rising from the ground. Damp rises up through the tiny pores and capillaries of the wall. The humidity evaporates and the dissolved salts crystallize, degrading the plaster and the paint. The accumulation of salts in the wall causes the wall to behave like a battery. The water molecules are oriented with the negative pole upwards and act like a magnet, causing the humidity to rise. MURSEC ECO multi-frequency system emits very low frequency pulses that have an effect on water molecules within the wall and changes its pole orientation, preventing the rise of humidity. MURSEC ECO is unique. Its SmartPolar embedded technology runs a specific algorithm which allows the signal to be customized through a mobile device in order to optimize the drying of each of the building's materials, no matter how heterogeneous and thick the wall is. The electronic device is installed without works in a few hours and at an affordable price. Right after MURSEC ECO is installed, and without having to wait for the wall to dry out, the damaged masonry can be replastered with draining, dehumidifying mortar. The draining mortar allows the wall to dry out and prevents the damages caused by the salt crystallization. Thanks to the draining mortar, the wall can be painted in 15 days with a breathable paint. Thousands of buildings have been treated with Humicontrol techniques over the last 40 years. The same technology that we use to dry out historical buildings is also available at an affordable price to solve rising damp in private homes. Humicontrol is expanding worldwide. If you're interested in buying our MURSEC ECO device or becoming a Humicontrol partner, just contact us. MURSEC ECO, the permanent solution against rising damp affecting ground floors and basements.